Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and BB over here. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button and give this video a like as well. This will really help me a lot. So this video today I'm gonna be doing is my favorite dish, which is bamboo shoots. So main ingredients is of course this bamboo shoot. I've already blanched it, to get rid of the bitterness of the bamboo, but not fully cooked, so that we don't lose the nutrients. And of course we have corn here. I kind of find a white corn, but anyway, yellow corn will do as well. And of course lady's finger, some garlic. I use one whole clove of garlic. I peeled it, I didn't crush it. And then I don't know what's the English term, correct me if I'm wrong. Is it called jute? But we called it saluyot. Yeah, so it's very slimy like the lady's finger. We also have here eggplant. I soaked it in salted water to so that it won't get brown. And then as you can see here, I'm frying the fish. I'm going to add it later at the end of the cooking. It will add flavor to our dish, but also you can use seafoods. People mostly use crabs and shrimp like that, but for me I like it this way. So it's very simple. We start by boiling water, just the right amount, enough to cover our whole ingredients later. We start by adding the blanched bamboo and then the corn, including the cob, so that we extract the flavor from the cob. We add in our garlic, just like that. And then we're just going to let it boil for 10 minutes until the bamboo is tender, crispy tender. As you can see here, I'm opening the lid a little bit so that I don't know what's the right term, but the bitterness of the bamboo, we are letting the bitterness of the bamboo escape. Once it's done, we can just add our eggplant, lady's finger, and then we will season it with salt and chicken powder. I love chicken powder because it has salt in it and some other spices, plus it has MSG. We love MSG. And of course the coconut milk. We love coconut milk because it will add creaminess to our soup later. And we're going to add this just 2 minutes before the cooking is finished. The last thing we add is also the jute or the saluyot, and then the fish. That's a minute before. And then we're just going to switch off the fire at this point and just going to let it cook by the heat. So here's now our bamboo shoots. I don't know what's the right term in English, but we call it tambo, ginataang tambo. So here it is now. If you want to try it, just let me know, tag me, and then write the comment, come back and tell me how do you like it, because I super love it. This is one of my favorite Filipino dish. And so yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a like. And also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also hit that bell notification button. I will keep saying that until you do it, because YouTube asked me to do it. YouTube asked me, why I'm blaming YouTube. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. As you can see here, oh my god, my face is disgusting. That's when I'm enjoying something. Anyway guys, I talk so much. I'll see you again on my next video. Ciao.